Alrighty, everybody, welcome back to Louisiana Shiner. Well, today's going to be an interesting video. Today we're going to be putting wheel spacers on my lifted lawnmower. Man, she's going to look great. And the rear's going to have 8 inches, and then the front's going to have 4 inches. Well, I got a little excited and already did the fronts. But this is going to be an interesting video. Today I need to change the studs, only 2 or 3 studs on my hub, because some of the studs are absolutely destroyed. You can see back there, we got everything just about set up. So, well, I would like to say a quick thank you to everybody, because we made it to over 100 subs recently. And I just want to say thank you guys so much. This is a great improvement. I'm happy to see our little fan base and our family growing. So, well, let's get straight into it. And no, you're not about to watch me for 2 minutes get my ass kicked by a cotter pin.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass half wish. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone, just wanna break, no. I'm not gonna give in, take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had a given art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty. I started to go. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Alrighty, everybody, that is looking absolutely amazing with its wheel spacers. That looks great. I'm so happy with how this is turning out. Just look how much wider these tires are gonna stick out. Hey, kitty kitty, Mr. Storm right there. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these tires thrown on, see how she looks. Yeah, like I said earlier, I got a little excited. I already put the front wheel spacers on. They look great. I got some spares. I can show you what they are. The fronts on this Timberwolf 250 are 4x156 and the rears are 4x110s. So yeah, there you go. Let's get these tires thrown on. Alrighty, y'all, well, thank y'all so much for watching. That montage was fun to make it that lifted lawnmower. This tires look a lot better. So very soon I plan on making a video of taking it to a mud park or to the beach or something and show you off how much better it rides and how she really does, because I remember that first video of a little TikTok I made of riding it at the beach. That was fun too. So I plan on doing something very interesting regarding the tires. I need definitely some bigger tires, so it's probably gonna take a bit while, but I'll definitely show you what I'm talking about. So yeah, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and that montage, like, again, it's very fun to make. So you guys have a great day. Louisiana Shiner out.